Yo, Sonny! Pretty simple when you're changing the rear hubs on a 2005 Civic. All right, you're going to take the lug nuts off. We're going to take the rim off. There's going to be a little dust cap. We're going to pop that off using a screwdriver or a chisel and a hammer. Pretty basic, not like the front. You don't need a press to do this, press out any bearings or anything. And you can buy these parts, rockauto.com, great prices. And this is something you can actually do if you have a floor jack and a little bit of knowledge, and save hundreds and hundreds of dollars today at the auto mechanics. All right, let's get started. Let's take the lug nuts off. Running out of battery power. I got to get another battery. Let's see if we can get this last one. All right, we got them off. So let's take these off. Hubcap comes off. So watch out for that hubcap. Put your lug bolts aside. Get your jack and jack this guy up. Alright, we got them up off the ground high enough. I'm going to take your rim off. Set your rim aside. Alright, what we're going to do is we're going to get screwdriver, chisel. We're going to knock this cap off, and we're going to take this drum off. Knock this off. This is kind of rusted. I'm going to get a brush and try to clean this up. Might not be a bad idea to replace this. Alright, so let's get to it. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're just going to, on both sides, pry it off. Take this drum off. Alright, we got some brake dust. The pads look like they could be changed. Alright, that'll be another video. So what you want to do is you want to take a screwdriver and you want to get this cap off. Alright, so you want to go easy. You want to go right on this edge here. Use a smaller screwdriver. You want to tap it all the way around and loosen this up. Alright, then when you get it loose, take it off. You have the axle nut here. You can see it was hit with a hammer on this little crease so it wouldn't back off. So you're going to just get a screwdriver in there and kind of pry this up a little bit, so we could take that nut off. Alright, so what I did was I got a fully charged battery. What you're going to need, the socket size for this guy is a 32 millimeter. So you're going to put it on here and you're going to back it out. Okay, be careful. Keep it clean. And then you're going to work both sides of this. This should slip right out. And basically, you don't need a puller. It'll just come right out. We're going to clean the end of that axle. If you look at this guy, we're going to inspect it. You know, one of them's bad. It hums when I go about 55. It's got play in it. This one's got a little play. You can see it. See this thing moving? The inner. Okay, so that's something we're going to have to address. I'm going to change both of them though. For the price, you might as well. So what we're going to do is you're going to just get a rag. We're going to clean all this off. I'm going to spray it with some brake cleaner, and then it's easy as just grabbing the new one and you're going to slide it right on top, and we're going to torque that, I believe, to 135 pounds using a torque wrench, and then we put everything back the same way we found it. You're going to take your new one, you're going to basically slide it right back in its place. just like that. Make sure it's nice and it spins freely. Put it back on here. Give it a quick one with the wrench. Then we're going to grab the torque wrench. Make sure it's torqued to the proper torque. Alright, 134. Then we're going to bang in, notch that into there so it stays on, and we're going to replace our dust cover. We're going to put our drum back on. We're going to throw our tire on, our hubcap, and the lug nuts. And that's it. That's how you change a rear wheel hub. Very basic and simple. Alright, I hope this helped out, and we'll catch you on the next one. One other thing. Before you put your cap on, put a little anti-seize around the lip here, so when we pop it on, if you ever have to take it off, it's not going to be so hard to take off in the future. Always remember to line up your hubcaps with the little curve here for your air nozzle. I've done that so many times where I forgot. And that's how you change the rear hubs on a 2005 Civic. I want to thank you for watching, and if this helped, hit the subscribe button. Please share and like the video so it gets to more people and helps them out. Alright, we'll catch you on the next one. What do we got to do now? Yo, Sonny! Sonny, are you in there, son? Sonny.
Yes, Sonny.